how to restart TikTok without deleting it. Now, there are two ways on doing this method. First things first is to log out to your account. By doing that, just simply access TikTok application. And by the way, make sure that you do have the latest version of the app so you will not encounter any problems in the future. Now to log out your account, just go to Profile and tap on the three lines at the top right portion of your screen and head over directly to the settings and privacy. And here, if you scroll all the way down, you can go ahead and switch the account to another account or log out and re-log in again for you to be able to restart it. Now, the other thing that you can do is to clear cache and data from the TikTok application itself. Now, look for the TikTok icon from your phone home and just press and hold on the TikTok app and go to the eye icon. And in here, you'll have to choose on clear data. Now, choose both clear all data and clear cache, and afterwards, that's the time that you can restart your TikTok without deleting it.